Put salt in honey and watch what happens. Squeeze in 1 fresh lemon, mix it well, then take a spoon in the morning and another at night. This simple mixture has been used for generations to soothe the throat and support the respiratory system. Many people deal with dry cough, throat irritation, and that burning feeling that just won't go away. When your throat is irritated, it can affect your breathing, your sleep, and your overall comfort. This natural blend may help calm the throat, ease discomfort, and support clearer breathing. Some people also use it to help loosen mucus and feel more relief in the chest. Try it and notice how your body responds. If you found this helpful, comment yes below and follow for more simple ancient healing wisdom.